In previous video, we discussed how to find the derivation for the mobility, but in our examination, no one will ask about the derivation. So we have to remember shortcut. How to remember shortcut? Every YouTuber says this is derivation. No matter if you learn or don't learn. I have a trick. I have a trick. See, why we are preparing? We are preparing to write NEET exam. See, NEET. Here, N means number of electrons or number of holes. Here, mu E means mobility. E mobility. NEET. E means charge. Okay. I repeat once again. NEET. Remember, as a conductivity formula is NEAT. N means number of electrons or holes per unit volume. E means mobility. Mobility. Now means we have to learn E mobility. Now means electron immobile. E mobility. NEAT. E mobility. E means charge. We can write conductivity as in conductivity in a semiconductor by adding both this. By adding and commoning the E, we will get a number of electrons into mu of electrons plus a number of holes into mu of holes, mobility of holes. Okay, now let us discuss about intrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductors, it is a pure form of a conductor. It is a pure form of a conductor. Okay, now it is a pure form of conductor. In this, number of holes is equal to number of electrons is equal to intrinsic factor. Okay, now they will give you pure form of as is this many holes, this many electrons. Okay. um, now let us the conductivity of a intrinsic semiconductor is very less. In order to increase this conductivity, we have to do with and we have to add this few impurities. Adding of impurities known as extrinsic conductor. Extrinsic conductors, we have two type of extrinsic conductor, p type, n type. Here seeing n type, we are doped with pentavalent means fifth group elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. How to remember this? See here, nitrogen, which family it is belong to? Fifth family. So write the all name of an element. You can confuse that phosphorus also belong to the same family of nitrogen. Now how to remember? See, it is which one is highest position? So topmost position who is nitrogen. So nitrogen is pentavalent. Here, so phosphorus, next we have to write trivalent. Trivalent elements like boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Many times they ask direct questions. What means doping of semiconductors? Which one of the following elements will give the n type? See, doping with pentavalent. But during statement based question, they will give that n-type semiconductor is formed by doping with the trivalent. It is wrong statement. Note, this type of statements are asked in our NEET examination. Okay, and in what? In n type of conductors, we know that in metal semiconductors belong to fourth A group elements. They have 4 valence electrons, but here pentavalent means 5 electrons. Here there is a one extra vacant electron, so it is known as here majority carriers. Majority carriers are what are majority carriers? Means electrons. I repeat once again, majority carriers are electrons, minority are holes. The same scenario is reversed in the case of p type. In p type, you know that four electrons, here 3 electrons. So here there is a deficiency of an electron, so holes are majority.